Come.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Steph for today's video, and today I'm opening up this egg. This wonderful, beautiful egg. I know it must seem like, bro, where is the lines? But trust me, me and my friend Mammothia, go and check his. Go check
with your
him
boy.
out. I will shout him out.
Mammothia.
Brian, what the heck are you, Brian?
We're gonna be hatching the skeleton egg.
I'm at the bridge. I'm at the bridge.
Hurry
One
up!
of my favorite
Hurry up,
titans
Mammoth! No, not
is
Mammoth.
the
I'm at the
Brian.
top it. I'm at
and
the
the colour
top
I want the most is probably this black
Guys,
and
go
silver
to this
right
one.
here.
Go to this one. Guys, go to this. Go to this one.
Not yet. Not yet.
So-
Not yet.
Go to this
We're,
one.
ge-
Go to this one.
we're gonna be hatching it.
Can you pick up your dinosaur?
Oh yeah, that's my bad.
Please, Mama.
When are we gonna do it? Which one are we gonna do
Wait,
it?
get Steph, bring it
This
over
one.
here.
This
Steph,
one.
bring
This
it over
one.
here.
This one.
Yo,
This one.
we're here with
Alright.
Steph,
Three.
who also has a...
No.
Two,
Wait. 3, 2,
2, 1. Alright, come on, guys.
put that there.
Let's do like a setup one.
I just
Let's do like a
messed
setup
up. I
one.
just messed up.
Sorry, you can't see because my dad is X in the way. You can show me the timer. 6, 5, 4, 3,
7,
Two,
6,
1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can't see. Ready, go! Yo! Grab it!
Oh my god, the one that I got last time!
Hey yo!
Last time!
Hey yo! This guy's sick.
Well, we'll see you in another video with me.
This
See you
is the
later.
exact same one that I got last time. The first one I hatched was this exact colour.
Make sure you guys
Yo, I got
like,
a red and blue
subscribe,
one.
and
I got a red and
follow.
blue one.
Make sure you check
Look at this
out
one. He
Matthew's
has black
channel.
eyes.
I'll link it inside the description, only on TikTok.
Wait, Steph, let me see yours.
This is what I got.
Oh,
This is
wait,
what I
look
got.
at yours eyes. Look at yours eyes.
I'm calling him Ice Age.
I'm calling mine.
Oh yes, there's a pig head here.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Where's
I'm
the
gonna
pig
call
head? Where's
mine
the pig head? I want to level my one up.
I'm
I already
gonna
ate it.
name mine Stethos.
Bro's naming it after you.
Oh.
And you, Mammoth. And you, Mammoth. I know what that means.
I'm gonna throw this grenade at it.
Ice Age.
I'm
Not
gonna
the
call
colour
him
I.
Stethos.
Who threw that one? Who threw that? I know it was you, Mammoth. I know it was you who flew that.
We gotta run away, skeleton.
Anyways, just make sure you like and subscribe and check Mammoth's TikTok out. Bye guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and now get on. Bye guys.